Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and welcome back to another week of lunch video. Today the children will be having a turkey slider, so it's just turkey, cheese on this Hawaiian bun situation. And I gave Madison some tomato because she loves tomato. I gave her some Muddy Buddies and also some of this pretzel popcorn. There's a little bit of Skittles in there and some chocolate. I think those are mini Reese's. And then I gave them some blackberries. This is the first for us. So hopefully they eat that. And then Jackson's having the exact same thing, except I gave him 2 sliders because he's older and he's not much of a fan of tomatoes, so I didn't give that to him. Then this week they're having something new for juice. They're having mango, it doesn't want to focus, but they're having mango nectar. Hopefully they like it. And then I gave them this frozen Gogurt. You can freeze it. They said to try it frozen, but either way, I'm pretty sure it's good without it being frozen. So anyway, have a good day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so I put a napkin over her tomato just so it doesn't get her bun soggy, even though this container closes really tightly, securely, and it's not gonna move, but at the same time I don't want anything moving about. So that's a good little hack. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Forgive me, I didn't get to do after school what they ate. Maddie didn't go to school yesterday, so it was just chaos and not anyone's fault. Today's lunch is geared towards the parents that are busy or just don't have time, and this is me right now. So they're gonna have Uncrustable, Dunkaroos, yogurt, roaring water, a fruit cup, and Jackson chose to have some Takis, and Madison's gonna have the exact same thing. I don't think I'll be able to do what they ate after school today because I had to help out after school yesterday with aftercare. That's why I didn't do what they ate, because I stayed back and helped out with aftercare. So hopefully today I don't have to help out, but if I do have to help out, then there won't be any what they ate after school. I hope you guys have an amazing Tuesday, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today is Wednesday. Good morning. They're gonna have, I'm rushing, sorry. We have 3 minutes to get out of here and Maddie's still not dressed. They're gonna have Bagel Bites in their thermos, some golden berries, blackberries, mix right here of popcorn, pretzels, some chocolate, and they're gonna have this bar and then the juice. I feel like this is not enough food, so I might throw something else in here while I'm packing up their stuff, but for right now this is what I came up with because I'm rushing. It's a busy week, life happens, and hopefully you guys are having a good day. I don't know if we're gonna have after school what they ate. Have a good day, guys. This is so unorganized. I think I didn't tell y'all what they were drinking. So they're having the Orzon organic chocolate low-fat milk for their drink of choice. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, last day of lunch videos. I did not include what they ate after school this week because it just was a very busy week and I just did not have the time to do that, so I apologize, but hopefully, God's willing, next week we will be back to regular schedule. Today is a mixture of I didn't know what I was doing and I'm late. So they're gonna have kiwi, some blackberries. Is this blackberry? Yeah, blackberries. Jackson does not like the golden berries over here. Maddie does, so I gave her the rest of those. And then her blackberries and some kiwis. Hopefully, I think this is the first time for them eating kiwi. So we shall see. Hopefully I'm home to do what they ate after school to see if they mess with any of the kiwi situation. I didn't cut up Jackson's all the way. I just sliced it down the middle. He's a big boy. I gave them the rest of this peanut butter snack situation, and then I threw in some Muddy Buddies and then also some honey peanut situation in there, and then I did the same for Madison. Hopefully this is not too much and she's not sitting there just picking at this and not eating her actual meal. I was lazy today, so I went with the Old Faithful Uncrustables. Is it Uncrustable? My husband always makes fun of me because I can't remember the name of these situation. So And then back here they have some celery, and then with their celery they're gonna have some ranch in these little containers. Hopefully I can get it, yes. So I'm gonna stick that in there, and then Madison's having the same exact thing. Come on, be good to me. Yeah, so that's what Maddie's gonna have on Jackson. And then as a little frozen treat, these are frozen Gogurts. So Madison's getting one and Jackson is getting one as well. And then something for them to share with their friends if they so choose is this fudge stripes minis for Jackson. And then as a treat, just because it's Thursday, I gave them someone argued with me the last time over what this is called. So if you can read, there you go, read. I'm not arguing with no one. And then for their juice, I'm finishing up these mango nectar. And then Miss Madison is having the circus animal. And then the same situation here. And then her juice is that. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of back to school or lunch ideas. And I will catch you guys on Monday. I gotta get this one dressed because she's still not dressed and it's 7:13.